NORTEC has been a leader in humidification systems for more than 40 years, and our commitment to promoting healthy environments is just as strong as our commitment to making great products. Water distribution creates a risk for bacterial growth and makes regular water testing essential. Yet, like the harm bacteria can pose to your health and productivity, NORTEC has listened to our customers' concerns about how water testing in itself can be a lengthy and costly process. That's why NORTEC has become a leader in adapting Bactiquant's rapid technology for near real-time testing of water. With the simple-to-use water test kit, customers can get timely results and reduce downtime of critical water systems. Once you receive your test kit, confirm you have all the components. Each kit includes instructions, 1 return shipping label, 2 disinfectant wipes, 2 blank labels, 2 sterile water bottles, and 2 ice blocks. Immediately place the ice blocks in a freezer for a minimum of 3 hours before taking your water sample. Next, locate the source of your water sample. If you're sampling from a nozzle, first close the valve so you can remove the spray head. If you're sampling from a pump, shut it off. Then, thoroughly wipe the water source with one of your kit's disinfectant wipes. Now you're ready to take a sample. Turn on the water source and be sure to let it run for 3 seconds in order to flush out any stagnant water. Then, fill one of the sterile bottles that came with your kit all the way to the neck and seal it. Next, fill out the bottle's label with your company's name, the current date and time, and a name that identifies where the water source was taken from. Once your water samples are ready for shipping, remove the ice blocks from the freezer and pack them into the styrofoam cooler that's part of your kit's original box. Place the water samples in between the ice blocks and then immediately mail the kit using the shipping label that came with your test kit. Note that the water sample should be taken any day between Monday through Thursday to ensure your sample arrives at NORTEC's testing facility within 24 hours. Back at our lab, Bactiquant's technology helps our technician turn around your test results within minutes. At NORTEC, we are constantly looking toward innovative technology to help our customers succeed. Find us online at humidity.com.